classic point and click. Well, howdy there, fellow game devs. We've come a long way through this tutorial series, ain't we? Yes'ery, we've built ourselves a solid foundation for our point-and-click game, and it's looking mighty fine. But don't you worry, the journey ain't over yet. Our last leg of the adventure is to enhance the object-oriented programming, or piece structure of them scripts. We'll be doing some refactoring to make things even better. So let's saddle up and get to work, 'cause there's still some magic left to sprinkle on this here game. Now, listen up, 'cause we're gonna make our script shine like a nugget of gold. To bring out that clarity, we'll be sprinkling some helpful comments all over the place. Them comments will be like beacons of light, guiding any wandering developer through our code with ease. But we ain't stopping there, no siree. We're gonna lock down them fields, keep them safe and sound. And of course, we'll name them proper like, sticking to them tried and true conventions of the trade. So when folks read our code, they'll know exactly what's going on, and we'll all be speaking the same lingo. If we're looking to level up our game with some sweet polymorphism, we got to tricks up our sleeves, abstraction and inheritance. To find that perfect harmony in our code, you gotta make use of the debugger or run the game after macking them minor improvements, all while keeping an eye out for them pesky errors. That's the way to go, and it's highly recommended. It's the perfect moment to take a good look at that code structure of yours. Ask yourself, does it rightly belong in the inherited class, or would it fit better in the abstract or parent class? This here decision ain't no trifling matter, 'cause it's gonna shape the very backbone of your project's architecture. When we're refactoring them scripts with tight bonds between them, we gotta be real careful to avoid causing trouble elsewhere. Changing one script should never go messing with the others like a tornado in a barn. That's why it's crucial to find us a solid root, a true foundation for our refactoring journey. And what better root than the game input itself? That's where we start. Once we got that solid base, we can move on to the click input script, which inherits from the game input class. First, we'll sprinkle them comments like stars in the night sky, guiding our way through the code like seasoned navigators. Now, don't be surprised if our quest leads us back to the game input script. Sometimes, we gotta circle back like a hawk swooping in for a second look. Let's clean it up like we're tidying up the camp after a grand adventure. We'll remove them unnecessary bits, organize things proper like, and make sure our code shines like a goblin's treasure hoard. As we're refactoring and squashing them pesky bugs, we gotta stay true to them conventions we know and love. Renaming things proper like, reorganizing them executions, and sprinkling them helpful comments all over the place. I'm gonna speed things up and skip ahead to the next thrilling part. Remember to use the YouTube speed and pause buttons to keep up with the guide at your own pace. We got an error with them player controls, so let's hustle and fix it up real quick. Heath, that's a piece of cake. You might notice that when we're refactoring, we tend to do the same things over and over again. We reorganize stuff and optimize it to play nice with OP and them conventions. As we keep on refactoring, each script becomes more brilliant, easier to grasp, and well-contained, all thanks to the time and effort we put into rethinking and refactoring them. Let's take a moment to look at the script and make sure everything is working smoothly. We'll do some debugging to ensure it's fully functional. Easy peasy. Oh no, looks like we got ourselves some more pesky errors after running the game. No worries though, cause we're ready to dive right in and fix them up like true goblin troubleshooters. Bugs because of player controls. Easy fix coming right up. Keep track of it and don't be shy to refactor on the fly. And don't skimp on them comments and reorganizing either. Time to tidy things proper like and make it shine. Alright, we've done enough for now. Let's keep moving forward, following the logic order and checking out them other markers. No worries, just a few minor fixes to make with that scripts. We'll handle it like pros and get this game running smooth as a goblin's glide. We're going on another fast-forward ride. Feel free to use them trusty YouTube buttons to pause and catch your breath between steps. The main deal with this script is reattaching them transforms from the abstract marker and making sure everything sticks to them conventions. Again, it is an excellent time to rethink our methods hierarchy to encapsulate our scripts better. If you'll keep at it just as we need, everything will be looking clear and tight. Time to wrangle them bugs in the destination marker script, using them same all tried and true techniques. Just a few minor fixes to make with that ground checker. We'll handle it like pros and get this game running smooth. We'll keep things tidy and clean as a goblin's lair. Organized code is the way to go. Time to delve into the depths of bug hunting. We'll sweep the console clean and give our game another spin. Let's get cracking. Bug slaying no easy task. Sometimes fixing critters takes a bit of time. First, we delve deep into the mystery, understanding the problem at hand. Then, we embark on our quest to discover a fitting solution. Time to dive back into the depths of bug hunting, just like we did before. We'll sweep the console clean and give our game another spin. Let's get cracking. Sometimes we've got everything tightly encapsulated, so all we need's to attach a game object reference, in our case, a transform. Oh no, the game ain't acting right. We gotta face the worst bug scenario, syntax or Namen case issues. Me see the problem, fellow adventurer. The cursed bug be linked to me cursor hit ray. So I must track its behavior through the script. Finally, I've uncovered the remedy. I had to fix two things. First, change the script execution order, and second, ensure I use the current hit instance. Everything looks tight, but remember, playtest in various orientations and controllers, make sure it won't break. Alas, my touchscreen usage prevents me from testing touch devices in Unity's simulator. The simulator only simulates mouse input as touch input, which is quite unfortunate. Thus, I must translate accordingly through code. Ensure everything is tight and clear. As we test, all works fine. Refactoring done, time to move to our character. We're speeding ahead 'cause it's straightforward. We'll enchant our code with proper comments, conventions, and encapsulation. Take a moment to review, if necessary. Now 'tis time to delve into the mystical art of refactoring the player's script. Let's begin our quest with the basics: comments, encapsulation, reorganization, and such as we've done afore. Consider renaming methods if necessary. During refactoring, we continuously go back and forth through our process to check for any missed elements. There's always room for improvement, even for me. Multiple solutions exist for a single problem, so take your time while refactoring and reviewing your project. Fantastic news, adventurers! If you've followed the course or the guided videos diligently, you must have a splendid foundation in place. A cool ground, a cursor indicator, and a delightful character to wander around this enchanting world. Now brace yourselves, for this is just the beginning of our grand adventure. It's time to sprinkle even more magic into the mix with delightful tweaks and cool effects. Picture this. Pickups scattered like gems, doors that led to mysterious realms, inventories brimming with magical items, and challenging goals that'll challenge even the bravest souls. Remember, this video has been lovingly crafted for educational purposes aimed at nurturing your game-making prowess. If you've journeyed this far and found each video helpful, don't hesitate to show some goblin love. A simple like for every helpful video, a magical subscribe to my channel, and a positive comment would mean the world to me. With your support and passion, we shall continue crafting epic adventures in the realm of game development. Until we meet again on the next journey, this is Delta Vision, disconnecting from the channel. Peace out, my fellow adventurers, and may your dreams soar higher than a phoenix's flight. All that remains to be said is thank you and good luck.